Okay, now I am going to solve drill set 5. Here the first question is x square minus 2x equals to 0. So here you need to solve the equation. Solving any equation means you need to find out the value of the variable. Here the variable is x, that's why you need to find out the value of x. Then if I take common x from here, then you will find x minus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. That's why x equals to 2. Now I am going to solve number 2. Y square plus 3y equals to 0. Same thing. If I take common y from here, then y plus 3 equals to 0. Then y equals to 0 and y plus 3 equals to 0. That means y equals to minus 3. Now I'm going to solve number 3. So z square equals to minus 5z. So if I take this minus 5z in the left side, then it will be plus 5z equals to 0. Then if I take common z from here, then z plus 5 equals to 0. So our answer will be z equals to 0 and z plus 5 equals to 0. So z equals to minus 5. Now I'm going to solve question number 4. So question number 4 is 44z minus 11zk equals to 0. If I take common from this one 11j, then here the remaining part is 4 and here the remaining part is only k. So our answer will be something like that: 11j equals to 0 and 4 minus k equals to 0. So j equals to 0 and here k equals to 4. Now number 5. 4xy plus 2x square y equals to 0. If I take common 2xy from the both from these two terms, then the remaining part will be 2 here, and here you will find x equals to 0. So 2xy equals to 0 as well as 2 plus x equals to 0. So here from here you will find x equals to minus 2. If you place this x equals to minus 2 here, then you will find minus 2 y equals to 0, then y equals to 0 again. So our answer is x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 0. Now problem number 6. Y square plus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. So you need to do here middle term. So y square 3 means 3 multiplied by 1 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 1y plus 3y plus 3 equals to 0. Then if you take common y from these two term, then y plus 1, and from here you will find y plus 1 equals to 0. Then y plus 1 and y plus 3 equals to 0. So our value will be y equals to minus 1 as well as minus 3. Now problem number 7. Y square minus 11y plus 30 equals to 0. Then y square, I have to do here middle term again. So 30 means 5 multiplied by 6 and 5 plus 6 means 11. So minus 5y minus 6y plus 30 equals to 0. If I take common y from here, then the remaining part is y minus 5, again minus 6, then y minus 5 equals to 0. So our value will be something like that: y minus 5 and y minus 6 equals to 0. So y equals to 5 and 6. Now I'm going to solve equation number 8. Equation number 8. So y square plus 12y plus 36 equals to 0. Here you will find y square, and here middle term 36 means 6 multiplied by 6 and 6 plus 6 means 12. So 6y plus 6y plus 36 equals to 0. Then if you take common y, then y plus 6 plus 6 y plus 6 equals to 0. So y plus 6 is common and y plus 6 equals to 0. So our value will be y equals to minus 6. Now question number 9. C square minus 23c plus 42 equals to 0. So how, again I need to do here middle term. So how I can get 23 from 42? So 42 means 2 multiplied by 21, and 21 plus 2 means 27, 23. So c square minus 2c minus 21c plus 42 equals to 0. So here if I take common c, then the remaining part is c minus 2, and if I take common 21, then c minus 2 equals to 0. So it's c minus 2 and here c minus 21 equals to 0, and you will get c equals to 2 and c equals to 21. So this is number 9. Now I'm going to solve number 10, question number 10. So here you will find w square plus 17w plus 60 equals to 0. So if I take common 60, 60 means 12 multiplied by 5, right? So 12w square plus 12w plus 5w plus 60 equals to 0. So if I take common w from here, then w plus 12 plus, if I take common 5 from here, then w plus 12 equals to 0. Then w plus 12, and here you will find w plus 5 equals to 0. So the remaining part will be w minus 12 and w minus 5. Okay, our answer will be something like this. I am going to solve number 11. A square minus a minus 12 equals to 0. Now this 12 means 3 multiplied by 4. So a square minus 4a plus 3a minus 12 equals to 0. If we take common a from here, then the remaining part will be something like this way. A minus 4 equals to 0. Now if I take common a minus 4 from the both sides, then a plus 3 equals to 0. So our a will be 4 and minus 3. Now I am going to solve number 12. You will find x square plus 8x minus 20 equals to 0. Then how I can break down this 20? So 10 multiplied by 2. And now I can write x square plus 10x minus 2x minus 20 equals to 0. So if I take common x, then x plus 10. If I take common minus 2, then x plus 10 equals to 0. So x plus 10 here, and here you will find x minus 2 equals to 0. So our answer will be x equals to minus 10 and x equals to 2. Now question number 13, b square minus 4b minus 32 equals to 0. So 32 means, how can I break down this 32 so that I get 4? 32 means 2 multiplied by 16. Now I can get 4. Then 4 multiplied by 8, yes. So b square minus 8b plus 4b minus 32 equals to 0. Now if I take common b, so b minus 8. If I take common 4, then b minus 8 equals to 0. So b minus 8 here, and here you will find b plus 4 equals to 0. So our answer will be b equals to 8 and b equals to minus 4. Now question number, which one? 14. So y square minus 4y minus 45 equals to 0. So 45 means 4 multiplied 5 multiplied by 9. So y square minus 9y plus 5y minus 45 equals to 0. So if I take common y from here, then the remaining part will be y minus 9. If I take common 5, then y minus 9 equals to 0. So here y minus 9, and here you will get y plus 5 equals to 0. So our answer will be 9 and minus 5. Then the last one, 15, x square plus 9x minus 90 equals to 0. Then you will get, if I break down this 90 to get 9, how can I get 9 from 90? So let us think. So 90 means 2 multiplied by 45, 3 multiplied by 30, 4 multiplied by, no, 4 is not divisible by 90. Then 5 multiplied by how much? 16, I think. No, 18. 5 multiplied by, no, 5 multiplied by 18. Yes. So 5 and 18, or 9. then 6 multiplied by 15. So 6 and 15 will get produce 9. Okay, so x square plus 15x minus 6x minus 90 equals to 0. Let me erase this one. Okay, so x, if I take common x plus 15, and here if I take common minus 6, then x plus 15 equals to 0. Then you will get x plus 15, and here x minus 6 equals to 0. So x equals to 6 and minus 15. So this is our answer. Now I'm going to solve number 16, question number 16. So here you will find 16, 2a square plus 6a plus 4 equals to 0. If I divided both sides by 2, then I will get a square plus 3a plus 2 equals to 0. So again I need to do here middle term, so a square plus a plus 2a plus 2 equals to 0. And if I take common a, then a plus 1 plus 2, a plus 1 equals to 0. Then a plus 1 here, and you will find a plus 2 equals to 0. Then our answer will be a equals to minus 1 minus 2. Then number 17, y square minus 7y minus plus 4 equals to minus 6. First I need to transfer this constant in the left side, so y square minus 7y plus 4 plus 6 equals to 0. Then y square minus 7y plus 10 equals to 0. Now break down this 10 with 5 multiplied by 2. So y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 10 equals to 0. Then you will get here, if I take common y, then y minus 5. If I take common minus 2, then y minus 5 equals to 0. Then y minus 5 here, and here you will get y minus 2 equals to 0. Then our answer will be y equals to 5 and y equals to 2. Now I am going to solve which one? I am going to solve 18. So 18 will be x cubed minus 3x square minus 28x equals to 0. If I take x common, if I take common x from both of the side, from their left side, then here remaining part is x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 0. Then you will get x into, now 28 means 7 multiplied by 4. So x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 equals to 0. So x, if I take common x from here, then x minus 7 plus 4 means x minus 7 equals to 0. Then if I take common x minus 7 and x plus 4, and this remaining x equals to 0. So we'll get x equals to 0, x equals to 7, x equals to minus 4. Okay, so our answer will be something like this. Now the next one, 19. So here you will, the question is about x cube minus 5x square plus 4x equals to 0. Again I will take common x from the left hand side, so x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. Then x, and here you get x square minus x minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Then if I take common x, then the remaining portion will be x minus 1, and here minus 4, then x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so the here you will get x into x minus 1 as well as x minus 4 equals to 0. You will get x equals to 0, 1 and 4. Now I am going to solve number 20. Question number 20, here you will get minus 3x cube plus 6x squared plus 9x equals to 0. So if I take common minus 3, then I will get minus 3x, then I will get x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Then if I divided this both sides by minus 3, then I will get x into x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Then I will do middle term here, then x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So x, if I take common x from here, then the remaining part will be x minus 3 and plus 1 x minus 3. So I will get x into x minus 3 x plus 1 equals to 0. So this portion will be x equals to 0, minus 1 and 3.